If you've forgotten your Denali password or simply want to reset it, follow these straightforward steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Denali website. Open your web browser and go to the official Denali website. Look for the login section on the homepage. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Secure your account before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Enter your email address. On the password reset page, enter the email address associated with your Denali account. Make sure it's the correct one to receive the reset link. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for password reset email from Denali. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 5. Follow the reset instructions. Click on the link in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Once you've completed these steps, you should be able to log into your Denali account with your new password. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Denali's customer support for further assistance.